Does this ever happen to you? Well, now it doesn't have to. Introducing Old People, Soul People, the sounds of public access. Now you can listen to all your public access favorites at your convenience. Favorites like Greg Greenstein, the singing divorce attorney.
Where am I gonna live when I get home? My old lady's thrown out everything I own. She meant what she said when she wished I was dead.
And who could forget those multi-generational crowd pleasers, the FBC Senior Choir, and their dazzling rendition of Chameleonaire's Ridin' Dirty.
They see me rolling, they are hating, patrolling, they're trying to catch me riding dirty.
Trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they're hoping that they're gonna catch me riding dirty.
Trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
Then get your Jesus on with the spirited Reverend Alicia. Holy spirited, that is.
As we obey and trust Yahweh, we give praise to the name of the Lord. Through faith and works, let us never stop praising Yahweh, our Master. As we obey and trust Yahweh, we give praise to the name of the Lord.
Then take back your soul and give it to Satan with Box Lunch's smash hit Eggnog.
Eggnog! Eggnog!
Around Christmas time, the Safeway stocks their shelves.
All of these songs and more are available only on this exclusive collection. This priceless anthology is not available in stores. Act fast because supplies are limited. Order now and receive free additional copies of Old People, Soul People on cassette, 8-track, mini disc, zip drive, floppy disk, reel-to-reel magnetic tape, vinyl, pre-vinyl, player piano, music roll, juice box, Happy Meal prize, digestible capsule, suppository, leather-bound volume, knotted rope, smoke signal, and cave painting with caves. Call now.
Let us never stop praising Yahweh, our Master.